Bonjour classe. Aujourd'hui c'est vendredi le 5 octobre. And this is what we did today. It was a pep rally schedule, so all of the classes were short except for this class, 5th period. So, first thing, we did our warm-ups. So I'm just going to come over here. And it was this one. It was our writing activity where you were to copy this statement at the top of page 34 of your notebook and write for 5 minutes about this statement. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Why or why not? Explain your reasoning. So we wrote for 5 minutes. Then we went and we continued doing the stations that we started yesterday. All right, and so they're right here. We did the station 1, which was the culture, and I assigned it for homework if it wasn't finished because everyone, well, no, actually, you guys don't have this textbook. I forgot, but anyway, but I'm pretty sure most everybody, if not everyone, finished the culture. Then we went to, and we finished up, hopefully, the l'emploi du temps d'Hélène, which was also in the book, and turned that in for a grade. So, we did that. And then the ones who were with me, we went through the website, this website, and we looked at where the French 2 Pre-AP videos were going to start being kept for those of you who will be absent or are absent sometimes from class, so you can come here to watch the videos. Then we went to Google Classroom and we clicked on period 5. Yours isn't going to look exactly like this because mine's the teacher one, but we went and I had them click on the Duolingo so that we made sure that everyone was a part of the 5th period classroom on Duolingo. And that is basically what we did. We played I let them work on Duolingo. I tried to get as many students as I could today to make sure everyone was where they were supposed to be. And that is what we did. Bon weekend.